Yeah, it was a stupid argument. I don't know why she was arguing. Oh boy. A lot of homeless in this area? A lot of homeless people?
Basically all over the city, brother.
Mm.
This area is a little bit higher for it, though. Have you ever been to Albuquerque before? Have you been to Albuquerque before?
I've been, but I've never been in the city. I drive in the daytime and leave. But I hear a lot of stories about Albuquerque.
Interesting place.
Well, I'm not trying to make your job harder. It just I don't want it to trespass on my name. That's all. To be honest with you.
I'm being completely honest. It's just a piece of paper saying you can't.
Yeah. Well, I just
You're fine, brother. You went to the
I mean,
suicide
I hope you don't mind. I'm not trying to be
You're good, brother.
argumentative or anything like that. The way they came at me, it was wrong. They should have a customer service. I didn't do nothing. I didn't say nothing, to be honest with you.
I get it, brother. And like I said, the last thing I want to be doing is sitting here arguing with you.
Yes,
There's actual
and-
stuff going on.
Yeah, and I don't
But,
I don't want to argue with you the same way, to be honest with you.
Yeah, it's one of those deals, brother. Last thing I want to be doing is
Okay.
sitting here
Yeah,
issuing
dude.
out criminal trespassing.
Yeah, I just don't want my name up for a stupid shit like this. I'm trying to fix my name. need to have a talk with him too, because he's a liability. All this I came just to clean up my window.
Trust me, brother. You came here to clean your windows. I came here looking for an actual criminal. And now would most of
You came here to what?
look for an actual criminal.
Yeah. You think I'm an actual criminal?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying we're attempting
the area?
to locate
Yeah.
an actual criminal here.
Yeah.
And now if he was here, he's gone. We just have to deal with this.
Well, you should know it's a easy like that. You should have let me go.
Fortunately, that's not how it works, brother.
Maybe you should go look for a criminal.
So I know what was going on. You were detained, and they wanted to trespass. Now after I trespass, can't do that without your information. You requested a supervisor. Now
Yeah,
we
but
have to
you stopped me. I was leaving.
So what they were telling me is that you requested a supervisor from them. They told you they didn't have a supervisor and you refused to meet for them as well.
Huh?
They were telling me that you requested a supervisor for the security guards.
No. He's a
They
liar.
said they
It
don't
was
have a
it was by the
security
door.
guard.
I was telling him I needed her information. That's all.
Why would you need to give her information?
Huh?
Why would you need to give her information to you? What happened?
Yeah. Then he told me it's on to report it to the company. The way she was talking to me.
You can take that up civilly with them.
Huh?
But everyone's saying different things right now, so we're just trying to get you
Exactly.
CT
So
and
it's
have you-
hearsay. Whatever she said against what I said.
I can look at the cameras.
Go
again
look
if
at the
you'd like.
camera. I advise you to
It's
look
not
at
going to
the
show you pointing in that woman's face,
camera.
yelling across the counter.
Wow.
Sergeant's now here.
No problem. I would never do that. I had my hand down. I was like, is she okay? I was asking the guy. But she was acting not okay. She doesn't seem right, to be honest.
What's that?
She don't seem right.
Can't confirm or deny that. I haven't.
I didn't say nothing. I swear to God, you would be surprised if you see the camera. Because I did not say, I was quiet, basically. She's the one who was yelling at me for no reason. She's telling me, calm down, okay, hold on a minute. She's like, okay. Good morning, hi, good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Sergeant Brian DP.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
No idea. They told me to leave. I was about to leave. And the officers stopped me. Basically, the security guy stopped them to stop me. But I was on my way to leave.
So my understanding is the business is wanting criminal trespass notice.
Yeah, but if I was about to leave, there's no criminal. There's no trespass. There shouldn't be. There should not be a trespass.
Business,
Huh?
it's a private business, so if they want you to trespass,
Right.
Notice has to be filled, and basically it's a document saying. You know, you
But I
sign
was,
it, they sign it,
but
it
I,
says you're not allowed to
but it
return
was
the
like
business.
if the criminal trespass, if they ask you to leave, you have to leave.
But because my officers were flagged
And-
up that they're
no,
now
no.
being noticed,
Tres-
that has to be filled out.
Okay, but they told me to leave, right? And I was about to leave,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. That's how criminal trespass is if I refuse to leave, that's
So
a
the trespass
trespass.
is an actual paperwork. That
I
gets filled out.
understand it, but did I refuse to leave? I didn't. Then that's a criminal trespass.
No. The criminal trespass is the notice from the business saying that you're not allowed to return to the property. It's not saying
Right.
you have to leave right now. It's saying you can't come back. Okay? And that's a form we have to fill out. So to fill that out, we need your information to document that. It's not a criminal
But
charge. It's
what was the
saying
reason? You could ask him what was
it's
the
a
reason.
private business. They don't need a reason.
Okay, but I was leaving though.
Okay? So that's not in question. Okay? We need your information to fill out that notice.
Okay. So you need my information?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But I need your information as well, all of
That's
you.
fine.
Okay.
So it's going to be a case number. Everything's going to be documented. on the
No
case
problem.
number. You have that
Yes.
as well.
And I'm recording too as well, and
That's
I need all of you.
Yeah, I'll write it down on a piece of paper.
Yeah, can you write it down for me? No
Yeah.
problem. So I do this only under a threat of arrest of you because I'm not supposed to give it to you. If I don't give it to you, what happens?
You go to jail.
I go to jail?
Yes.
So under a threat of arrest?
Yes.
Okay. You want it or who?
Thank you.
No problem.
So he's going to get that filled out.
No
That
problem.
notice.
No problem. But she's what? She's a liar. She lied. I'm gonna get all the reports that you get back. All the cameras. And the camera down. That's I wasn't.
It's a private business. They don't need a reason to report it. So,
I know I have different states maybe. If they told me to leave, that's it. There's nothing like this.
yeah. At least for New
If
Mexico,
I
there is.
refuse to leave, then yeah.
Well, then, New Mexico is different than wherever you're from. But all it is it's a, I mean, you'll see it when we give it to you, but it's a document, single page. It just says your information.
I don't have to
has the
stop
address.
with this. Stupid page that they want me just because I didn't know.
But once they tell us as a business that they want the
But
CT,
I understand that by law, when you really that's
not in Mexico. Yeah. Where are you originally from?
They're first step, I need it
Pretty far different.
First step. Please just give me your name and that.
That'll be okay.
She told you I was yelling in her face, waving my hand on her?
Yes.
No, I never did that.
Okay, we're not gonna argue about it. We're just gonna get the CT and get out of here, okay?
Huh?
We're not gonna argue about it. We're just gonna get the CT and get out of here. I wasn't here, right?
Exactly. Now you're acting like that? Okay.
What do you mean acting like that?
Because you came at me, fighting me, arguing with me over that I was doing that.
You called us stupid and started yelling in my partner's face.
I called her stupid?
You're like, you don't know the law. You didn't go to school.
Huh?
You said you don't know the law. You didn't go to school.
Me telling her that?
No, him. Our officer right here.
Are you talking about the officer or the lady inside?
The officer.
No, I wasn't.
We're not gonna argue about this. We're
I
gonna
wasn't
get the paperwork
arguing,
and leave.
talking about the officer. I was talking about the lady inside. Did she tell you that I was putting my hand in her face or something like that? Didn't you say that?
Yeah. We have
Yeah,
witnesses
but
saying
I never
that too.
did that.
Okay.
And I wasn't trying to be argumentative with the police officer. I was trying to tell him just call you supervisor and that's it. So I know maybe the supervisor knows better. Right?
They were
Saying the same
right.
thing.
No.
Yeah, I'm agreeing with they were correct when I told you.
I told him that if that's what the supervisor wants, it's okay, I'll do it. I wasn't being argumentative. I'm just gonna leave like you. But it's a stupid, it's a nothing. I didn't know nothing to be honest.
We do things differently here in New Mexico than Chicago.
Would you be able to give me also the security guy company and information?
That's up to them. Like,
What you been up to them?
that's a private company. You can go ask. You have the right to do that. But we can't force them to do that.
I'm not supposed to go inside now. Just so you know.
So as my sergeant was saying, you were detained to fill out this paperwork saying that you cannot return back to the property, right?
Yes.
We are allowing you to try to talk to them, but they
I'm
don't
not-
have to let you
no,
know.
I asked you to give me his information. guy information. The security officer has information and company work for.
If I ask him, he doesn't have to do that for me though, because that's a civil
I
request.
understand, yes. But can you do that? Because he's in the case already. He was trying to get in my face. And
I can do that, but we're gonna wait for his paperwork first so we can get that done, and then I'll
Yeah.
go ask him, okay?
the security company.
You said Premier?
Yeah.
Do you know his name or anything
No, I
like
just saw it on the car. Hey.
Premier? What's the date today? Do you know?
The 12th.
Oh yeah, the paperwork.
Alright, real quick, brother. Just the criminal trespass. This is just saying that you can't come back here. If you come back here, you'll be cited and arrested, okay?
Of course. Yes.
We're gonna have you sign 3 copies, okay? One copy will go to you,
No
one
problem.
copy goes to us, and one copy goes to them, okay? Just sign right there where it says subject.
No problem. So three?
Yeah, you'll take a copy,
I got
we'll
it.
get a copy.
No problem. No problem. Does he have his name on the form, the guy?
Yeah,
Okay.
right here, bro.
Yeah.
One last time.
Yeah, the security guard.
One last time, brother.
And if you don't mind as well.
What's that?
I want your
Yeah, so,
name and badge
okay,
number.
so real quick, okay?
Name and badge number, if you
Okay,
don't mind.
yeah, I'm about to give it to you.
Yeah.
Your copy, your ID,
Thank you, sir.
case card has my name, my badge number. On the back, it's gonna have the case number associated to today's event. It's also on top of the criminal trespass, okay?
On there too is the security guard's name.
What is
The
it?
paper. His name is on there.
Does
He's
it
the
have your
proprietor.
name and badge number or no?
Yeah, he's working on it. Here's my notebook.
Well, you're asking for security's company and name.
Yes, and I
So
want
gave
your
you the,
badge number and badge number
Yeah.
and badge number.
when I gave you the company, the security's name is on
Right here?
it.
Here. Oh, your names are not in there.
Here's my notebook.
Oh, that's what I'm asking for. This
Yeah.
one. You have a card or something? No, definitely you'll never ever see me here again.
But you can't come back here.
Of course I can. It's a criminal trespass.
See, the official has a little paper on it
What's your
there.
badge number?
5666.
And that's mine and his, okay?
Thank you. You guys have a good night.
Yeah, you too.